sorry.
There are obviously some big differences. So to begin with, this is a 4K 60 frames per second, but the codec is much bigger. So you have 200 megabytes per second, while the DJI Osmo Pocket is only 100 megabytes per second. So that would be a lot better for color grading. There is also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in this device. Wi-Fi will allow you to have your phone. Basically, here is a bracket that also used for protecting of the device. And you can put your phone right here, and you can see that the way it's mounted is a lot more stronger. It's a lot more durable as well. So you can have it on the right hand, or you can have it as well in the left hand. So you can use with the other hand. You can also have it on the middle, use it with both hands. So it's more comfortable, generally speaking. If you don't need to mount the smartphone, you can just have it like this. We have a Daisy car version is covered, so it's a splash proof. And another big difference between the DJI Osmo Pocket and this one is that also can shoot twice the slow motion, so it's 240 frames per second at 1080p. Another big advantage, maybe difference, not only to the DJI Osmo Pocket, but to almost any camera period is it uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your AirPods, so you can be vlogging. So let's say you want to shoot something, you're vlogging, so you can have your freedom of being totally free, have this in your pocket, take it out. You don't need to have anything mounted into this. You have a microphone, you just start vlogging. You pick the audio from your AirPods or any Bluetooth devices. So that's quite an advantage. You also have a touch screen at the front. Generally speaking, it's quite a compelling argument for both professional filmmakers that want to get something on the go for filming, stabilized footage, and also you can have it for vlogging.
Hey Carrillo, thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so that was Carrillo giving us an interview about the camera. Now, I was wrong. I did the video on it, and man, this camera actually has some good features on it. So yeah, I was very wrong when I did the video. The Snoppa is an amazing camera now that I played around it. It is a really probably better version of DJI. They did improve a lot of things that DJI kind of failed to do. So yeah, great job. I will go more in depth with you guys on the camera, but as you guys could see, it does have a lot of accessories that you could get, especially this case. This case is probably a winner in my book, because instead of getting the extension rod that DJI provides you, or the little dongle that you have to plug into the iPhone, this is simple and it's Bluetooth. You don't need to get the base station or anything. And yes, they are the same size for those that were wondering, and yes, they are very similar, but in my opinion, Snoppa does take a win here.